Hi, I'm Tim Stapleton with GT Automotive in South Jordan, Utah. One of the makes we specialize in is Honda.
GT Automotive, we're talking about common Honda problems. This one obviously, oil leak. They seem to have a fair amount of rear main seal oil leaks on Hondas that we see. They're not too hard to repair, but somewhat common. Easy to spot when a rear main seal leaks because it tends to leak a pretty good puddle underneath the center of the engine area. They generally leak a little more when the engine's shut off on a rear main seal. It's not a common problem necessarily, but just with age they tend to start to leak. You'll notice kind of a mess in your driveway when that happens. GT Automotive will be happy to look over your car and check it all out. And we'll let you know what things need to be, like oil leaks like this, need to be repaired, and wait until later so you can help take good care of your car.
Shop we built about 6 years ago. It's a state-of-the-art facility. We have an express loop on this side, and then 9 repair bays on the other side, and really quite a nice lobby and everything inside. So we've been real proud of this facility. It's done a good job for us. We would love to have you stop in and see us.